Welcome to 21 Sandown. This home is in such a wonderful and mature neighborhood with a brand new kitchen and bathroom. This home is ready for you to move in, relax, and fill it with life and love.
When will you learn that the more you take means the less that you have at the end of the day? Stillness of the mind is so hard to embrace. Freedom of the heart is what we crave. And now everybody smiles in the setting sun and sighs with contentment when the day is done. Hand in hand with the one you love, feeling blessed by the magic of the moon above. And we sing, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. We're just living in this beautiful world. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. We're just living in this beautiful world. Oh, oh, when the winter seeps into my bones and I hear the cold from the north, I will go. Yeah, I will go. And everybody smiles in the setting sun and sighs with contentment when the day is done. Hand in hand with the one you love, feeling blessed by the magic of the moon above. And we sing, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. We're just living in this beautiful world. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. We're just living in this beautiful world. Sha-la-la-la.
Be sure to check out the 3D Matterport camera. It's like Google Street View for homes. Or better yet, give me a call and I'd be happy to take you through right away.
We're just living in this beautiful world.